So mga katiwala, as I was explaining kasubago. No, so let me just be corrected po. The Paschalis Solemnitatis was a 1988 document. No? So the Paschalis Solemnitatis was a 1988 document by the Congregation of Divine Worship. No? So Paschalis Solemnitatis referring to an earlier document na about Paschal celebration man na ni Pope Pius XII, De Solemni Vigilia Pascali Instauranda. No? So this 1955 document by Pope Leo XII was the saro sa mga naging major source kang Paschalis Solemnitatis in 1988 by the Congregation of Divine Worship during the pontificate of Pope John Paul II. So, maray na hapon tabi sa mga kaklase ko dyan na nagadangog, nagahiling sa sakuyang programa. Na gamit ko tabi ang t-shirt na Tatak Agnisan. Di po sarong fundraising activity kan sa muyang batch. Ta kami pang sponsor ngunyan sa homecoming kang St. Agnes. Na. So, please support us, fellow Agnesians. No? Kung gusto po ninyo magbakal, bas PM me. So, balik po kita sa tuwing topic. Easter cycle. Na so for the preparation of Lent is 40 days, no? So Lent runs from Ash Wednesday according to the document General Norms for Liturgical Year and Calendar. The 40 days of Lent runs from Ash Wednesday up to Holy Thursday, just before the celebration of the evening masses. No, so yan po ang preparation stage, the Lent. No, so as what I've discussed the other week or last week, no, about the counting, no. So ascetical counting of the 40 days begins with Ash Wednesday. You will end on Black Saturday. No, that is 46 days. No, paano nga Father sobra. No, so there was a rule before, no, that on Sundays you are not to fast. No, kaya, so 40 days of fasting was only during weekdays. No? So, excluding the days of Sunday as a day of the day of the resurrection, there is no fasting. No? Kaya, the 40 days of Lent, from Ash Wednesday up to Holy Saturday, no? So, 40 days excluding Sundays. No? And the general norms of liturgical year calendar, the liturgical celebration of Lent, no? The liturgical celebration begins Ash Wednesday and ends on Holy Thursday. No? So the cycle, the preparation is the Lenten season, no? The celebration, nasabi ko nga, matapos ang Lent, Holy Thursday, Easter Paschal Triduum begins at the evening Mass of the Lord's Supper and reaches at high point to the Easter Vigil, which closes the evening prayer of Easter Sunday. So, ang Easter Vigil may siguro na ko na-share ko nini. That was the last question sa kuya kay to, no, during the comprehensive exam of during at the end of my master's degree. So sa naglalaog na season ang Paschal Vigil. It ends the Holy Week because it ends the Triduum, but it begins the the Easter season. No nga nagbel na ka to takon day sala sumasasimbag ko ta. Holy Week nakalaw ko la so Holy Week, pero yun properly it is the end of the Holy Week, no, because the end of the Triduum, no, but it begins the Lenten season, no, but it ends up to evening Mass of Sunday, no, pero and then the first Sunday of Easter is Easter Sunday. No, kaya the Divine Mercy Sunday is second Sunday of Easter already. No? And then for 50 days, no, that is the prolongation, pagpalawig kan celebration niya to. No? So Easter cycle, no, it is a cycle. Lent, the preparation, celebration, the Paschal Triduum, and the prolongation. the 50 days of Easter. No? So, it is a cycle. No? Paikot. No? Cycle of the celebration. No? So, kaya, magayuno na, we must na, sabi ko, so bago, Lent is the preparation of whatever we are disciplining ourselves, no? Fasting, abstinence, no? And Easter is the deepening. You're there in the mountain. You're enjoying the view of the mountain. No? And ordinary time, you go down slowly for the continuing our life here as a Catholic. No? So, what is Lent? No? Ano po ang season of Lent? No? So, Lent is the Easter penitential period. No? Kaya sabi ko baka subago, it is a cycle. No? Lent as the preparation is the penitential period. No? We hear of the existence of Lent in Rome towards the 4th century from a letter of Saint Jerome and several ancient Christian writers. No? So even, especially during the Holy Week, igwaning sa rong liturgical writer si Egeria. No? Sa Memoirs of Egeria, yaon duman nasusurat. So ano sa mga nahiling niyang celebration duman sa Jerusalem? No? Because sabi ko nga before, every individual church has their celebration bako pa man kaya united, unlike sa tuyang ngunyan, no? That the Roman Catholic Church, the Western Church, kung magsain ka man, magduman ka man sa Italy, sa Roma, sa Spain, sa US, when it is Lenten season, we have a uniform practice. No? Though there are some cultural differences, especially on processions, no? Dito sa Satuya in the Philippines, no, we are, because of the influence of Spain, no, so we yaon ang to kang procession, no, so that could be another preparation for us, another topic that we can discuss during the season of Lent, no. So the season of Lent was characterized by fasting and other ascetical practices in preparation for the Easter celebration. No? So, araw po kayan ang kang history of Lent. No? So, it was characterized by ascetical practices, no? Hali sa manlain-lain na manlain-lain na mga dioceses before local churches, no? And these were the basis of the celebration that we are having today, no? So the Lenten season was made of 40 days in order to imitate. Why 40? No, it was to imitate the Lord's fasting for 40 days in the desert. 40 is the symbol of endless time and indicate that the entire life of a Christian should be spent in prayer and fasting. No, sabi ni Saint Benedict, the life of a monk ought to be a continuous Lent. No? So from the 5th century, the season of Lent became the time to prepare public penitence for reconciliation. No? So later we will be understanding that there are two characteristics, no? Two phases of Lent, bako po phases, two aspects, no? Two aspects of the celebration of Lent. Not only baptismal character, but also penitential character. No? Baptism because the Lenten season, the 40 days of Lent, according to the documents of the church, no, especially the ones sa libro ni Hippolytus of Rome, no, that the season of Lent is the 40 days proximate preparation for baptism. No, so kay baga po ang pigbabasehan kang adult baptism, no. So document on adult baptism, no. Na yaon na dyan, that was patterned, no. So the adult baptism preparation was patterned on the document of Hippolytus of Rome, that when you enter the season of Lent, that is already the proximate preparation of those who are to be baptized. No, so naming, no, election of the catechumens, no, because they are prepared for, sabi ko nga as what I've been repeatedly sharing here, that before, during the early times, in the apostolic times, the preparation for baptism was more than 3 years, no. minimum of 3 years, no? And then when you are ready, no, the sponsor and then the catechist will attest to the church that you are ready, and now during Lenten season, this is not the time for baptism, no? So sa document, sa ano to, sa pag-prepare kang adult baptism, it is like that, no? So the naming, no, and the exorcisms, and the preparation, no? So it is a baptismal character, no? And also it is also in the in the 5th century, no, time also for public penitence for reconciliation, no? So during the time, no, before in the history of the church, yaon ang public penance. Mayo pa man po kato ning mga individual penance. It was only in the early 10th or 11th century when monks in Poland introduced this private penance, no? But before, always public penance, no? And sometimes, sabi nga ni Ninda, it was only